Unjani mama? Wenzani ma? Amani? Nails. Wow. Okay, yenza sibone mama. Uyathanda nails? They're beautiful. Yes. Do them. Wow. Mbani wakufundisa ukwenza ama-nails? Ma? Nguwe? Oh. Wabona ubani esenza ama-nails? Ubani? Ubani? U-Asha. Oh, wow. Suqedile. Asibo. Wow. So umuntu olama-nails wenza njani izandla zakhe? Wenza njani umuntu olama-nails? Awukaqedi? Okay, qeda mama. These nails are so beautiful. Ooh. So, what do you do? You do this? Do it. Ooh, ooh. Oh, Miss Universe, when auntie. No? Miss Universe, aunt? That's so beautiful. I love your nails. Yeah, Tanda love. Utandan. Nails. Yay! Bye.
Happy cutie baby.
Ingayi cutie. Thatha khona uvula isikhwama sami uthatha icutie ufake icutie and ncedisa uvula isikhwama. Let me help you open the bag. Kade sivula ngaphi izipha liyani ngaphi. Okay. Nansi la. Nangu. Sile cutie leyi, sibe le cutie. Le bona ngithanda usebenzise le cutie le. Le ya nansi yakhe cute la. Kan gwin look. You cutie. Wow. See no. Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Beautiful. Batshela abantu what I am beautiful. Khulumela phezulu phela ngizomntanami. What I am beautiful. What I am beautiful. Ufuna la le cute. Efuna serious. Le phela ngiyabantu abadala le. Ngigqobe. Nangu ugcobele. Zigcobe sibona. Wow. That's good. Someone is cutie. Wow. All right, Tanda Sam. Oh, thank you. Okay. All right. Ngizakuthengela ama cute amaningi and. All right, my baby. Bye bye. Love you. Ngiyakuthanda. Ndothi lami ngiyakuthanda. Mwah.